the Iron Trader. Now the pit's closed here at 2:30, and that was about 15 minutes ago. So we are going to review crude oil here and natural gas. At the end of the video, the support and resistance levels are posted along with the Baker Hughes rig count. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, commodity, ETF. Please like, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Okay, here we have crude oil daily chart, natural gas daily chart. Pretty much says it all, okay? Crude oil, look at here, okay? Big ass red candle. Remember, crude oil is always going to be very volatile. And with this big hack and everything going down, you're going to affect the airlines. Well, what do the airlines use? They use jet fuel. So obviously you don't need the crude oil to refine it to get to the jet fuel, okay? That's why she's coming off. Market is just coming unglued here today, okay? But again, that's just a one-day deal. We'll see what happens next week. Now, crude oil here actually was a really good short. Now you can see the signs were already poking out here. Once this 8-day crossed that 21-day, that's a sell signal. This was a sell signal, the green below the red. Okay, so that's what you always got to watch. And then when we have these topping tails like this, that is never good. And once we lost that 100 SMA here, then it's time to take the old short ski. Okay, so I trade the short by SCO. Really good. I trade 3,000 shares of it on a Friday. Usually I'll do 5,000 shares. But it's Friday, so we just want to take the money and run. Okay, now you can see where you went right through that 50-day, you went right through that 100-day. So now what we have to do is when those futures open Sunday night and Monday, what we want to do is we want to watch the bottom of this candle. You're looking at 78.59, okay? Now, again, if that's lost here, there's other targets, but realistically, you just bring this price channel across. This is what we're looking for, this 77.58, okay? So if that's lost, we'll come right to the bottom here, looking at 77.22. We can go here, you're looking at 76.25. Then we have your 75.23 at the bottom of that candle. We look here, you got 74.33. We have at the bottom here, you got 74.06. Then we come here, you got 72.82, and then right here, 72.48. That's the big boy. So just bring these price channels right across. That's all your support levels right here, okay? Especially we had this big red candle here now. Okay, so upside, very easy, okay? 78.91, your 200-day. Right above that, we have 78.59. And then we can just ratchet it right up here. We look at the bottom of that candle. You look at 80.22. We look here at 80.45. But realistically, you're looking at that 80.71. That's your 100-day. Above that, we're going to have this 8 SMA, 81.62. And then we have your 21-day at 81.86. Those are going to be your resistant levels. Right now here, you got to watch that 200-day and that 50-day and that 100-day. That is all very, very crucial, okay? If it keeps on selling, well, then we know exactly where she's going to go here, okay? Now, this, not good at all. When that green, that's a sell signal. Look what we have on natty gas here. Look what happened, and then look what happens, okay? So just get prepared here that this could go lower here next week. We've got to see how it's all going to shake out. Right now, I'm flat. So we're going to see how that all going to shake out there next week there, okay? So again, just watch that 200-day, that 50-day, and that 100-day. That's on the upside. On the downside, watch today's low. If that's lost, you just take this first price channel, bring it right across. That's your target, okay? Next, you bring this price channel right at the bottom here. Boom, that's your target. Then we can go to the top of this candle here, but realistically, this price channel here, that's going to be your target there on the old downside. Now, this looks like it's just getting started. This has a ways to go unless it can curl back up. RSI here looks like it's rolling over here pretty hard. Okay, let's take a look here at natural gas. Well, natural gas, it looks like it's working it like a circus monkey here. You can see here we're trying to find a bottom. So today we just had yesterday we had a inside day. So we had a high of 2.134. Today we had a high of 2.14. So basically, you just look at the bottom of that candle. What you have, 2.14, that's your resistance level. Next level is going to be right here, 2.192, and 2.192 is going to be your 8-day and your 100-day. If you can get above all that here, well, then what we do is we just find these candles up here. What you have to look at here first is 2.24, 2.26. That's going to be your level coming right across. And we get above that, you got 2.35 here. We have 2.38. And then you're looking here for this 2.42, which is your 21-day. And then we have your 200 SMA here. You're sitting right here at 2.44. But All that don't mean dick unless you can get and close above that 100-day and this 8 SMA here. Okay, so we just have a little sideways action. We got to see how this is all going to shake out. Now you got to be a little careful with this because what we got going here. See how you have this red candle and a couple 3 green up here. You could have a bear flag here also here. So just watch that. Very, very key. Okay. So on the downside, well, you want to watch, obviously, you want to watch today's low. You're looking at that 2.05. And then we have here, you have that 2.01 level. Okay. So this is going to be what you're going to watch, on the downside. Again, if that's lost here, then what we do is we just come right here to the left. What do we have here? You got 2 flat. You have 1.97. Look to the bottom there. Okay, 1.95, and then we have 1.90 if that 2.01 is lost. Okay, so just kind of watch this, keep this in mind here. But when you see a pole like this, okay, like this on the downside, and then you see them green like that, that could be a possible bull flag in the process. Again, if you can close above the 100-day and the 8-day, well, then that would negate that pattern. Now, if you want to learn about candlesticks there, just go on my playlist. It has everything about candlesticks, about chart patterns, and it's a really big help. I look at it every week myself just to keep that fresh mode going, okay? Because you want to try to stay, above everything, okay? That's the key. So just be careful here with this. And just watch that 100-day and that 8 SMA on the upside, that 2.01 there on the downside. And again, on Krewski, just watch that 200-day, 50-day, and that 100-day on the upside, and then watch today's low here on the downside, that 78.59, because it could come all the way down here and retest this here. We just don't know here yet. Now, again, this hack, then pretty good size hack here. However, again, I scalped 9 points out of that Microsoft there. So if you're a trader and you want to be a really good trader, always look for opportunity. If you don't see it here or here, then you just look somewhere else. But actually, this was a good short here today. I didn't take any natural gas trades. It's just the risk to reward just for me wasn't there because I gotta be able to make money, not just risk money. Okay, that's what you always want to look here. But Microsoft, I knew if it came down and it held that 432 level there and it rallied all the way up to 441. So that was actually a good trade. I scalped it twice. Really good trade. Now I'm flat with Microsoft. Okay, so that I'm completely down there with that. So we got to see how it all shakes out. Now remember, NVIDIA is going to have their earnings here on August 28th. That's a ways away. Okay, that's a ways away. However, any kind of an opportunity here on the downside, I think NVIDIA is a buying point. Now I did do some charting on NVIDIA. There's a couple of gaps all the way down to like the 95 level there here. So you got to be careful with it. But if it can sell down, like say we have a sell down, that's be a good buying opportunity because I think they're going to have the old blowout numbers there. Okay, that's what I got for you on crude and natural gas. Now I'm going to be out of the office there actually Sunday through Wednesday, and I'll be back on Thursday. However, I should be able to make a video here. I'm looking at Sunday night, at least make one video every day for you on crude and natural gas. Okay, hope everybody has a great weekend, and thanks for watching.